Welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about the 4-type exercise of the neck region. This is very helpful for the cervical spondylosis, headache, etc. or neck pain, shoulder pain, discomfort of the neck region. Now we know that the structure of the neck region or spine. This is very different structure. This is the small vertebra, then the other vertebra, comparatively than the other vertebra. Or here the so many nerves, maximum nerves endings are here. You can observe this picture. There is so little small vertebrae and so many nerves are going from here, and this looks like a network of the nerves. Yes, these nerves also going to the head region, so direct connected to the head, and also it's connected to the ear and lungs. Here connected also the trigeminal nerves that are ending that only ENT, eyes, nose and ear connected nerves also connected this region. And here also you can see that so many nerves are going in the neck region. Here present the thyroid, parathyroid gland, and here present the tonsil, and here present the salivary gland. So it's very helpful. You understood that? Now we are telling about the exercise. First exercise is the flexion and hyperextension. You should avoid if you have the severe cervical spondylosis. And if you discomfort with this exercise, then you can suggest with any doctor or yoga therapist. Now, for this practice, sit in comfortable on your chair or comfortable in any asana on the ground. You can sit the cross leg position. Now relax your body, relax your mind, and then relax your shoulder, relax your hand. Inhale deeply and go back as much as possible. Feel the stretching of your front neck region, and then exhale slowly and try to touch your chin to the chest. This is the first exercise. You practice this exercise 10 to 20 times. Each time, the whole exercise, if you want to take the very much result, you can practice 3 times in a day. Second exercise is the side bending exercise. Inhale deeply and exhale, and bending the neck of your right side. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder, but don't lift your shoulder. Inhale and come back, and slowly exhale and try to touch your ear to the shoulder of the left side, and again inhale and come back. You can practice also this exercise also 10 to 20 times. Next, third exercise is the turning exercise. Inhale deeply, and when you exhale, with exhalation, you turn your face to the left side and try to parallel of your face to the shoulder level. Again, inhale and come back. Same manner, exhale and try to parallel your face to the right shoulder. Again, inhale and come come back. With inhalation, come back. With exhalation, go back. Okay? Now, but you should attention that don't rotate your head. This is very complicated. Already I teach you the structure of your neck region. If you wrong manner, if you do this wrong manner, this is very difficult. It can harm of your eyes, nose, ears, or any neck pain, discomfort permanently, because this is a very little gap and very small vertebrae there in neck region. So that next you are practicing the strengthening exercise. This is very much helpful for headache and very much comfortable exercise. I like this very much. Also, now the strengthening is pressing the both hand to the forehead and press the head to the hand and hand to the head. When you are pressing this, you feel the vibration. This thing vibration, and this practice also 10 times. Again, interlock your finger and go back and try to touch your hand to the back head, not neck, head, and then press the head to the hand and the hand to the head. This is also 10 times. Then next, the hand, place the hand in the temporal bone slightly up above your ears, and then again same pressing 10 times and same manner in the left side also. This is the total 4 exercise. I think you are very much helpful this exercise for you, and if this exercise is very helpful to you, then you can please share this video who is really needed this, and please subscribe my channel for